Alright, hey everyone, this is Mike over at MJM 3D Solutions, and I'm out here doing a bashing video that was requested earlier this week. Testing some of the parts I make. So on the Sledge right now, I got my front mud guards, shock guards, arm inserts. I got a 35mm fan guard, hobby wing switch mount, wing spacer, and then obviously the rear shock guards and rear arm inserts. Rear mud guards are coming soon. They may already be up on the page by the time you see this video, so check it out there. Running 6S, starting off right now. This truck's basically stock except for the motor and ESC. Got a Max 6 and then a, I believe it's a 950 kV motor. But other than that, everything else is stock. Just a lot of cool green upgrades. But anyway, I'll let you go and we'll go start jumping. Alright, and we're back after some bashing. Sadly, trip got cut a little short. I hear some clicking here, so I think it's either the spur or maybe one of the diffs. So we'll see what it is. But all the parts holding up great. I mean, these are not normal like hard plastic. They are very flexible, so they're gonna take a lot of beating. So everything's fine. Switch is still in there. Fan guard still protecting the fan. Nothing getting in there. Wing spacer, no screws pulling through. And then the rear shock guards, definitely protecting a lot of mud from getting all over the shock bodies. And these socks, they're also sold by me. So I got black, blue, red, green. I got fluorescent green, orange. Got a bunch of different colors there, so you can check those out on the page as well. But for now, that is the bashing video with the Sledge. Hope you guys liked it. Got a lot of massive jumps here. So we'll see what's going on with the gears later today and see if we can get that fixed up and get it on running again. But anyway, again, this is Micah at MJM 3D Solutions. We'll see you in the next video.